Is it morning or afternoon?
It's afternoon, Donna.
Hi, good afternoon.
Just see the 1 o'clock news starts.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, we're going to Peel, somewhere different today. So hope you're coming along with us.
Afternoon, folks.
Afternoon. Practice run finished. Just done this once. And had to turn round because we've got low coolant in the car. So anyway, we're heading off to Peel. Yay!
You put a bottle in the car?
Yes, of course I put the bottle in the car. Right. So, hope you're with us. Hope you want to join us for the day.
Let's try again.
Yeah.
No low
See you in a
coolant
minute.
levels.
No, haven't got past the 1 o'clock yet. Right. We have headed this way before, if you have looked, and one of the other
Go to
vlogs.
St John's, yeah.
It's when we were doing the final segment of the TT.
Oh, we came the other way though, didn't we?
Yeah, we came the opposite way. So we won't be doing much of this stretch, but as soon as we get to Peel, or the turn off for Peel, then
We will show you some places of interest.
places of interest.
Yeah.
Farther on.
Yes. There's a wildlife car park where Kush lives.
Oh yeah,
Keeps
Kush.
and where wallabies originally originated from before
Yeah.
they spread around the Isle of Man.
Yeah, if you've watched any of the vlogs before, we mentioned, look, there's loads of pheasants around the place, but if you watched any of the vlogs before, we'll have told you that the wallabies now populate the Isle of Man, and they've got their own little,
Colony.
yeah,
Established colony. There's the ginger. We've passed the wildlife park.
no we haven't, babe.
We have this before the ginger hall.
No, it's not.
It is.
It isn't, it's a lot further.
There's the ginger hall.
Yeah, there's a ginger hole. Leave us just have a quick domestic here. It's further on, it's past Sulby.
It's not. It's this way. It's past the ginger hall towards your mum and dad's.
It's not.
It is.
Alright, well we're both a bit confused.
I'm right. Donna's confused. Santa. Stop for a lift.
Yeah. Well, it's a nice sunny day anyway, even though it's a bit grey.
Well, they're not very nice clouds out there, so.
The sun has got to settle.
It's our boat. It's how late.
I'm going to keep this running now just to prove that I was right and Mike was wrong.
Oh, Don, that's dangerous, babe. You just realise how often you're wrong.
Oh, you're cheeky, you are. You do realise I can't edit this and cut your bits out that you're sure you're right. I can make it look like I'm really clever and you're stupid.
You mean like Ups, I got away with that one? Oh, Pew, I got away with that. It's only because I can't be mine for doing a Facebook, I don't know.
I do all the editing.
It's your project. You enjoy doing it. Whereas Mike enjoys
Go on, this will be an interesting one.
drinking whiskey and playing Xbox games.
Yeah, drinking whiskey.
Over 18's boosters walking now, Don.
Yeah, I know, well I've had my booster, babe.
No, over 18's still on the Isle of Man.
God, well, can't we bring Oliver and Kerry over?
Yeah, the other dressing here for years, much less stress. Not working for years, so. He's living for 5 and working for 3.
Sure, there's 2 caravans parked over there.
That could possibly be there.
It's a private house, so I suppose they're entitled to park the caravans in there.
Oh, is it the wildlife park just there?
No, babe, it's a little bit further on.
Oh, I do like to be right sometimes.
Smug little
Oh, I do like to be beside the sea. Why, do you realise I'm right?
No, you're not right. It is further on. It's here. This next bend.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'm wrong again then.
You are correct. Thank you for
Not
that.
often I'm right, but I'm wrong again. Although, let's be honest, you have been coming here for 30 years. You
What was
were
that?
right yet again, Donna. You
So,
were right.
What was the word sorry mentioned there?
Oh, are we apologising for being right?
There's a
You owe me a lot of
wildlife park.
sorries. You owe me a lot of sorries if we're apologising for
Look,
being right.
even got a big sign there.
That's the next animal to escape.
What was it?
Monkey walking. Fell force. Well, that was who wants to be millionaire. On the first 4 questions, and I lost my money. Kicked off the show. Simple one, I got wrong.
I'm pretty good on directions. I'm not very good on, if you show me a map and tell me you've got to get from A to B and give me the road names and numbers, I would definitely get lost. If you sit me in the car, drive me there, then bring me back and let me go back, I've got a picture memory.
Whereas me, I get lost all the time.
I can get lost in a one-way street.
However, I always bet my way back to that one-way street. Want to know what it's called?
Yes, Mike's good with numbers. I'm not.
Maps.
And maps, yeah. Numbers and maps.
That's because in the old days you had to use maps. When I lived in London, we had to use the A to Z.
Let me show you a little bit of the countryside where we're going.
You should come side over there if you want, but you can see the first hedge. The rest is flat.
Yeah.
Wow, the heating's on full.
Yeah, the heating's very hot. Right, folks, I'm going to turn you off for a little while and then we will catch up as soon as we get into the turning for Peel. Speak to you in a minute.
TTFN.
Okay, we've just made the turning towards Peel. So
Just have to Mike.
this is all new for you. I'm sorry about the sun. Well, I'm not really because it's beautiful, but I'm sorry if it's blinding you at the moment. Oh, Daddy decides to wash the windows now. Oh, that's pretty down there. I've noticed that before, but there are some beautiful views.
Oh yeah, I'm not in the view, not in the rear view mirror though.
There's a pilot doing his bit for mankind.
Captain, not pilot.
All right, Captain.
You do get confused, woman.
I know I do. Confucius.
There's the sea. Did you see the sea?
I did see the sea. Nobody else can see the sea at the moment. I can't see very much else at the moment, to be honest.
See the inside of this glass today.
Yeah,
It's a bit,
bit dirty. Is that what you're trying to say? The sea's over there. Past that hedge there. Right, so this is the main route into Peel. There is another route as
From
far as I
Ramsey.
know. Yeah, from Ramsey, this one. I've no idea what the road's called.
Peel Road.
Oh, is it?
I don't know. A4. It's the A4.
We've often heard about having a camper van versus a caravan. And I'm still not 100% sure we should be going for a caravan rather than a camper van. Apart from the fact that it's bigger, and once we leave it somewhere, we've got the car to take the dogs out still. But I
And
think,
your mum wouldn't get into a camper van.
yeah, my mum wouldn't be able to get into a motorhome
Yeah.
because she's disabled. She'll struggle getting in the caravan, but at least,
The steps are lower.
yeah, we can push her in, hoist her in.
And again, there's more room for her to move around with being disabled.
Yeah.
Right, we need to find
Castle
something
and
to
Monument.
go to. Next one, is it?
I don't know, babe. We don't come here very often. As in,
Yeah, it's this one. Down to the seafront. Can't go sit on towards the castle. This is down to the seafront.
excuse me again.
Oh, Billy, shut up.
Well, I don't know why Billy's getting excited because he's never been here before. And although there's a beach and he's heading to the beach,
large or a medium? Medium, that's it. It'd be a medium.
Silly. Oh, look at the little boat coming in, the fishy boat coming in. Beautiful beach here. Yeah. Beautiful beach here. All sand.
Don't know the rule about dogs here, though, Don.
Well, we'll look on the sign.
Chat to there, clean all.
Can you see the boat coming in? Let me see if you can see the boat coming in. I don't know whether you can actually. Little blue one. Well, partial blue. Blue and rust. And right in front of us is the old castle. Oh, it's stunning. They hold concerts and theatre theatre productions in the castle during the summer. Good boy, Billy Bear.
Suppose we'll find somewhere to park, hadn't I?
Yeah, might be an idea.
Could have parked back up there for the thought on.
Well, you could have, but down here's just as good.
Can't park there, it's truck.
Alright, Billy Bear.
Access. Oh, there's no dogs on the beach.
It says no dogs on the beach. Oh. Why is there no dog? Mind you,
Just see if we're parking here.
yeah, can do.
See how long we're parking here for.
So there's your castle.